Hello, boys and girls. The first and second grade team is here. We've got Miss Graham, Miss Cisco, Miss Smith, Miss Bridger, Miss Thompson, and Miss Holden. We're here to show you another math lesson, so get ready to learn. Our objective for today's lesson is I can solve word problems that identify 1 more, 1 less, and 10 more, 10 less. Let's get started.
Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do some math fluency. So stand up and follow along as we count by fives.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, take your brain and body strong. It's a fitness fiesta. Spread your feet out wide as you bend your knees. Move your arms like a football. Hold those breeze. Now twist side to side like a washing machine. We're gonna have a party, dance and exercise. It's a fitness fiesta. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's keep it going. Make a fist with both hands, arms by your side. Chug, chug like a train on a choo-choo ride. Do the cha-cha, choo-choo, left and right. We're gonna have a party, dance and exercise. It's a fitness fiesta. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
All right, it's time for our application problem. It says, Miss Cisco's first grade class was helping Miss O with an art project. Isaiah had 10 paintbrushes. Miss O gave him 10 more. How many does Isaiah have altogether? Okay, so what are we trying to figure out? Our question says, how many does Isaiah have all together? So do you think that we're going to be adding and getting to a bigger number, or subtracting and making it a smaller number? I agree with you. We're going to be adding to get to a bigger number because he's getting some brushes from Miss O. Okay, so I see 10 on the screen, which is how many that he has right now. And he's about to get 10 more. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the number in my hand. I'm going to say 10, and then I'm going to count on. Okay, ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. So how many does he have altogether? He has 20 because 10 plus 10 is 20. The 10 that's after 10 is 20. Excellent, you guys.
Okay, so now I want you to take a look at this hundreds chart. What number do you see has a box around it? I see 46. So we are going to be identifying 1 less, 1 more, 10 less, and 10 more than a number. And right now we're going to practice with 46. So to find the number that is 1 less, you're going to move over to the left 1 box. So we have 45. If you notice, 45 has 4 tens just like 46 does. But what's changed is the ones. So when we are finding 1 less, our ones place changes. When we find 1 more, so 1 more than 46 is 47, you change the ones place again, but it gets bigger. Now we are going to find 10 less. 10 less than 46 is 36. And if you look now, the ones place stayed the same. What changed is the tens place. We took away 1 10. Now to find 10 more, you add 1 more 10. So 1 more 10 than 4 tens is 5, 10. So 10 more than 46 is 56.
All right, boys and girls, now I want you to think about that hundreds chart you just saw when we're solving these problems. So we've got the number 64 in the middle here, and we want to find one less than 64. So looking at our numbers to the side, 54, 65, 74, and 63, what is one less than 64?
63?
63, yep. If you'll notice, it goes 64 and then 63, where the ones place is getting one less. Now, if we're doing one more than 64, what is our answer?
65.
65. That's correct. All right, now we're going to do 10 more and 10 less. So, what is 10 less than 64? Is it 54 or is it 74?
Is it 54?
It's 54. That's correct. Okay, now what is 10 more than 64?
74?
74. Boys and girls, I want you to look at these numbers. Look, in the tens place, under 64, on 74, you'll see that there are 10 more. The tens place increases. So when we say 10 more, we're going up by 10. Okay, let's do the next one. Correct. Okay, our next number is 19. What is one less than 19? Is it 20, 18, 9, or 29?
Is it 18?
It's 18, Miss Graham. What is one more than 19?
Is it 20?
It's 20. All right. What is 10 more than 19? 10 more than 19. Is it 9 or 29?
29?
It's 29. And what is 10 less than 19?
This one's a little tricky. There's no 10. Is it 9?
That is correct. It is a little tricky. When we take the 10 away, we only have 9 left. All right, here's our last problem. It's 76. What is one more than 76? So we're looking at the ones place. We want it to be one more than 6. So is it 86, 75, 77, or 66?
77?
77, very good. Now, what is one less than 76? Is it 86, 75, or 66?
75?
75. All right, now we just have two numbers left. So we're gonna look for the number that is 10 less than 76. Is it 66 or 86?
Is it 66?
It's 66. Yes, Miss Graham. All right, last one. What is 10 more than 76?
86?
86. Good job, boys and girls.
Good job, boys and girls. So we've been talking about one more, one less, 10 more, and 10 less. So now we have homework for you. So your homework problem says, Kedarius has 39 Beyblades. He gave Jonathan 10 Beyblades to play over the weekend. How many Beyblades does Kedarius have left? Now, when you get ready to work this problem, I want you to think about the numbers that you're working with. And also it says, how many Beyblades does Kedarius have left? Now I want you to think about if you're going to add or if you're going to subtract. We're going to solve this problem next week for our bell ringer. We look forward to your answers then. Good luck.
All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching our math lesson today. Now that we're all finished, I hope you can say, I can solve word problems that identify one more, one less, 10 more, or 10 less. Be sure and put your answer to the homework problem in the comment box below. And if you have any questions, please ask your teachers. We can't wait to see you soon, and we'll post another video next week.